Tootsie Roll, Lollipop. Okay. Good morning, boys and girls. Now that I have your attention, for mathematics today, we will be looking at another type of plane shape. Another plane shape. I'm going to play a video for you to watch. I want you to pay keen attention and watch the video because you're going to tell me what you remember or understand from the video.
Wendy's music and rhymes. Three sides, three corners. Three sides, three corners. Can you see? Can you see? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Birthday cap, watermelon, tent, pizza, ice cream. Three sides, three corners. Three sides, three corners. Can you see? Can you see? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Birthday cap, watermelon, tent, pizza, ice cream.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Okay, from that video, what type of shape or what special shape will we be looking at today? What type of plane shape will we be looking at today? The triangle. Very good, class. Today we will be looking at the triangle. And what can you remember from the video about the triangle? Yes, Odeli? The triangle has three sides. Very good. You can go, Marcus. It has three corners as well. Very good. I'll take one more person. Nazaria. Yes, a birthday hat is shaped like a triangle. Good observation. All of you are correct. Those things are true about triangles. Now I'm going to pass around these triangles. Everybody is going to get one. When you receive your triangle, I want you to observe it. Look at the sides because I'm going to ask questions. Right? Okay, now that you all have your triangle, I want you to look at it and tell me how many sides can you see on your triangle. Because the video did say a triangle has three sides, but now we are going to prove that a triangle has three sides. So let's count them. One, point to your triangle, point on your triangle. 1, 2, 3. So a triangle has three sides. Correct. There are three sides on a triangle. What about the corners? How many corners are on the triangle? What do we call the corners? We have a special name for it, for them. The vertices. Good, Jaden. Give Jaden a clap. The corners on a shape where the two lines meet are called the vertices, or a vertex, right? Good. So how many corners are on the triangle? Can you see the corners? Touch them for me. Good. Let's count them now. We have one up here where the two lines are meeting. Two lines are meeting here. And two lines are meeting here as well. So a triangle has three vertices. A triangle has three vertices. Very good. Remember we did angles? Now, do you think, looking at your triangle, do you think a triangle has any angle? Or how many angles do you think a triangle have? Okay, let me hear somebody share with us what is an angle. Odell? Yes, please tell us what is an angle. Good. An angle is the distance or the space between two lines that are joining together, that are intersecting, right? They're joining or coming together. When they come together, this distance here is called an angle. When the lines join together, it becomes an angle. The space or the distance between here is an angle. Good. Looking at your triangle, do you think the triangle has angles or any angle? Yes, a triangle have angles. Now, can you identify them? Count them for me. 1, because the two lines are joining here. 2 and 3. So a triangle has 3 angles. Now we know that the angle is the distance between where the two lines connect. What do we call in the corner here? We mentioned it for some before. The vertex, right? So the angle is where the two lines are joining together, the distance in between, and the corner, the tip of the angle is called the vertex. Good. So a triangle has 3 angles. Now, do you know what I have in my hand here? What is this? A slice of pizza. Very good. And what shape is this slice of pizza? A triangle. Good. So you see that many things around us are shaped like triangles. Even today's pizza, the food that we eat, is shaped like a triangle. Now, I want you to look around in your classroom and see if you can find some triangular shaped objects. Some objects that are shaped like a triangle. Yes, Odeli, we're going to take you first. The food chart, very good. Yes, Marcus. The ruler, your ruler. Good observation. Yes, Leon. The umbrella. Very good. All of you are correct. All those objects are shaped like a triangle. Good observation. Give yourself a clap. So, we are going to look at the properties of a triangle, which you would have already known because we discussed it. I'm going to read first and then you are going to read. Our topic is triangle. Spell triangle. Capital T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Now I want you to syllabicate the word triangle. How many syllables are you hearing? 3. Triangle has 3 syllables. Good. Properties of a triangle. Has 3 sides, and we proved that, isn't that so? A triangle has 3 sides. Has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Can you see the vertices? Good. Has 3 angles. We also proved that a triangle has 3 angles. One here, another here, and one more here. Do you understand, boys and girls? Do you have any questions before I allow you to read? Okay, so that means you understand. Alright, now it's your turn to read. Good. Now, before we go on, I want you to share in your own words something you learned so far about a triangle. What do you understand? Tell us about the property of a triangle. Yes, the first person that is going to go is Omar. Okay, very good. Taisha. Thank you very much. And Markel. Good try. Give them all a hand. All of you are correct. To help you remember what you learned about the shape triangle, I'm going to share a little rhyme with you. I have it printed out here. So I'm going to give each of you copies and you're going to read. I'm going to read it first, I'm going to say it first, and then you're going to follow along with your copy, right? So you need to listen, right, boys and girls? Are you listening? Good. I am a triangle, yes, it's true. I have 3 sides, yes, I do. Count them with me, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say it again. I am a triangle, yes, it's true. I have 3 sides, yes, I do. Count them with me, 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn to read the rhyme. Good, so to remember what you learn about triangles, you're going to say that little rhyme every time you want to remember if I ask a question, right? That rhyme is to help you to remember the properties of a triangle. Good, now for your activity, is everybody listening? For your activity, group 1, you're going to draw and circle the vertices on a triangle. Draw and circle the vertices on a triangle. I'm going to give you your art page and you're going to draw the triangle and circle the vertices. Do you understand what you have to do? Good. Moving on to group 2. I have some shapes here and you are going to sort out the triangles. Choose which one are triangles. Choose the triangles and you're going to paste them on your picture board, right? Sort out the triangles. Only the triangles. And for group 3, I'm going to give you a paper with shapes and your task is to color the triangles only. Only the triangles you're coloring, right? Do you understand what you have to do? Very good. Now take 2 minutes and do it quickly. I'm going to come around and check you. Group 1, you are finished. Alright, your work is correct. That is correct. Group 2 as well. And group 3. All of you are correct. Very good. Give yourself a clap. Now to recap what we would have learned about triangles, you're going to go outside on a scavenger hunt and you're going to look for objects that are shaped like a triangle and write down the names of those objects. So you need to take your pencil and book with you. Or you can draw those objects, right? You're going to go outside and look for objects that are shaped like a triangle. Do you understand what you have to do? Good. Okay, we're going outside now. Make 2 lines, one with boys and girls, and go quietly.